Hello and welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I am Gabby. Today I have for you a 10-minute core workout. We're going to focus on the core, on the abdominals, and get you a really nice deep burnout. All my workouts are completely equipment free. This is my spare bedroom, so it's quite a small space. So all my workouts are also accessible for everybody to do at home, and you can also try them outside as well. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. This is follow along. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into each exercise and how long until you finish. I will also put the name of the exercise on the screen. Let's get straight into it. Coming into your first thing, this isn't timed. We're just going to go chin to chest, walk the hands out into an inchworm, find a plank position, walk the hands back in, bend through the knees, roll yourself all the way up, and then again chin to chest, all the way out, find yourself a plank position, walk the hands back in, bend through the knees, roll yourself all the way back up. Now it's going to come straight into your first exercise, chin to chest, and you're going to walk the hands straight out in towards a plank position. So you want to bring your hands underneath your shoulders, eye line to the floor, and you're going to step your feet together and hold right here. You went into 2 minutes of your first exercise. Now the eye line is down. I want you to press the middle of the back in between your shoulders up towards the ceiling. This will help to switch on your abdominals more. It will help to take away the pressure if you have any in your lumbar spine. If you can feel it in your lower spine, you need to tuck the tailbone under. Now stay up here if you're in the advancement. If you feel like you need to modify, you can't quite get this, your knees are on the floor, but you've rocked forwards onto the fleshy part of your thighs. If you're up here, keep squeezing that navel in. Wherever you are just gonna hold for 20 more seconds until you mix it up. Keep breathing in. Exhale. Are your shoulders over the top of your wrists here? Middle of the back is pressing towards the ceiling. Keep breathing in. Keep breathing. Exhale away. Keep squeezing everything in as tight as you possibly can. I know it burns. You're probably thinking, oh my gosh, how am I going to last through this workout? You are. You're going to stay here, keep watching, and keep doing it. Now you're going to lift your left leg, hook it over the top of that right ankle. So this is an option. If you are still wanting that modification, if you can't quite get here, it feels not good on the spine, you can always bring both the feet down, or you're still here on your knees. Keep that left foot hooked over the top though if you're in the advancement. 5 more seconds and we're going to switch up to the other leg. You've got it 4, go 3, go 2, 1. Switch left foot down, right foot over the top. You are so nearly done here in this 2 minutes of a plank. 25 more seconds here left to go. Keep pressing the middle of the back up to the ceiling. Keep squeezing that belly button in and up. I'm shaking already. Nice deep breaths. 15 more seconds. Don't give in. I know you've got it. Nice deep breaths. 10 more seconds. 9, go 8, go 7, 6. You have it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Sweeping the feet round towards the front. I want you to then lay yourself all the way down on towards your back. Lift the legs up towards the ceiling. Scoop the hands around the thighs, chin to chest. Now you're going to lift up and hold. Again, you've got 2 minutes in this exercise. So you want your chin to your chest, head, neck, shoulders are lifted all the way up. Now you're going to drop your legs a little bit lower down. You should always feel those upper abs switching on. Option, can you release the hands and start to change the legs? Switch, go change, go switch, and switch. So you want your head, neck, shoulders as far away from the floor as possible. You want to take your eye line onto your thighs, so you're looking at your thighs and your upper abs should be on fire. Now the lower your legs go here, the more intense it will get. The further you get up with the spine, the harder as well. Switch, switch. Give me 5, 4, hold in 3, 2, 1. Grab back underneath the thighs, chin to chest. Now lift yourself a little bit higher with the spine. Then you're going to drop your legs a tiny bit lower down to the floor. Breathe in. Breathe, exhale away. Can you hold here? Option, try and release one hand away and just feel that burn. Further option, can you then go ahead, release the other hand away? Now I know it is so tough. If you want the modification, you are here with the hands underneath the thighs. If not, you still have those hands off. Now we have 30 more seconds left in this set. We're going to go for a quick cardio burst. The feet go switch, 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 switch. The eye line is forward. The further you get your head, neck, shoulders away from the floor, the more intense this will get. The lower those legs go, the more intense it gets. Give me 15. I know. 15 more seconds cardio burst. Switch those legs. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You've got to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Chin towards your chest. You're then going to send your feet out away from yourself. The hands go around the side of your thighs, now coming towards a hollow body. So you're going to go chin to chest, lift head, neck, shoulders, lift one leg, and all the way down. So you're going to start with just one leg lifting all the way up and away. If you have done this exercise before, you know what's coming. Both legs are going to lift, but not right now. All the way back down, curl, chin to chest, reach the hands, and back down towards the floor. 2 more. Then we're going to go into that full hollow body and drop back down. You have 1 more. Chin to chest. Lift all the way, squeeze, and all the way back down. Now you're going to glue your ankles together, full hollow body. Inhale, exhale, squeeze up, lift, reach, hold, and back down again. You still have this. Chin to chest, lift up and hold. This is so important. You want your lumbar spine down on the floor. Inhale, exhale, lengthen the legs, lengthen the hands. Every time you lift up, the navel pulls to the floor. You want to find yourself in a banana shape and all the way down. Can you get your eye line to your toes? Your modification, you're still going with that single leg all the way down. Just give me 4 of them. I'm going to hold. Chin to chest, lift up, reach. You have this. Drop back down. 3 more than we're going to hold. Trust me, I am right there with you, burning 2. Drop back down towards the floor. Now this last one, you've so got this. You're going to hold it. Chin to chest. We're going to lift up and hold. Now breathe in. Breathe, exhale away. Keep reaching those fingertips all the way down towards your toes. And stay. Reaching the hands all the way down. Nice deep breath in. Nice deep breath. Exhale away. You so have this. We've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, well done. Draw the knees in towards the chest. Rock yourself back. Rock yourself up and forwards. Sweep the feet round towards the back. 4 more minutes to go. In towards a bird dog. So you're going to extend one toe back, lift all the way up. The hip bone is to the floor. Opposite hand to opposite toe. Now you're going to try to bring elbow to knee and then reach all the way away. One of my favorite core exercises. Squeeze elbow to knee. Press, lengthen, reach and hold. Squeezing all the way in. Whew. Exhale, reach and hold. Now this one is great for your shoulders, great for working into your back, great for shoulder stability on the supporting hand. It's also great for working your core. Again, we're engaged in the abdominals. And as long as your hips are down towards the floor, you're working in towards that glute as well. All the way out. Keep going. Inhale, squeezing in. Exhale, press all the way out. And if you need the modification here, you can just do one leg or you can just do one hand. Wherever you are, you're going to keep going, squeezing in. Exhale, press and lengthen. 3 more. Press out, lengthen. You've got it. 2 more. And reach. 1 more. You can so do this. Press, lengthen, reach and hold. Now extend the arm, extend the leg. You're going to stay here. Little tiny lifts. Lift, lift, squeeze. Pushing the hand high, pressing that toe high. Hips are down towards the floor. Keep going, squeeze that navel in, don't take into the lumbar spine. Remember, zip up the waistline, engage your abs. Go squeeze and lift. Mind over matter here. As you want to give in, I do too. Don't push through that barrier. That's where you're going to get the results. That's where you're going to make the change to your body. Squeeze, go lift. You've got it. Just give me another 10 more. 9, 8, 7, keep going. Go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Straight into that second side. This is your last thing. Extend your right toe, lift. You must have your opposite hand to opposite leg. Elbow to knee. Press, lengthen and reach. You've got it. Elbow to knee. Press, lengthen, reach, hold. Squeeze in opposite and opposite. And then reach. Now as you bring that leg in, can you really contract through those abdominals? Scoop the navel up. You should feel that engagement. Squeeze it in. Exhale and reach. Keep on going. You got 4 more of these. We are so nearly done with your workout today. 3 more of these. Press out, reach and hold. 2 more. Press out, reach and hold. You've got it. 1 more. Now lengthen, reach the arm long, reach the toe long. Now stay right here. Zip that waistline all the way in and up. You literally have 1 more minute in your workout to give me everything. Make the change you want. Lengthen the arm, lengthen the toe. As you can see, I can barely do this in my bedroom, so I sometimes clench this fist if you're running out of room, or you can always bend that back knee. And now, add a little tiny lift, lift, squeeze and squeeze. So you want one gorgeous long line from your fingertips all the way down towards your toes, the hips to the floor, the navel is squeezing in. You so have this. Let's get that extra burn. You want to push through your barriers, make that change, give it everything. This is what counts now. Keep going, 25 more seconds left to go. Pushing through that hand. Ears in line with the shoulder, lift, go squeeze, keep going. Just give me a final, we've got this, I'm shaking. Just give me another 10, 9, 8, 7, keep going, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Well done, you've made it through your core workout. Give yourself a little shoulder roll round. Little shoulder roll round. Make sure you grab some water after this workout. Well done in your core workout today. If you've got any feedback or questions, just drop them down below. Let me know how you felt it on the abdominals. Did you feel it? How was it? Also give me a like if you loved the video. See you again soon. Bye.